Check out our newest feature release. This is a calendar update. Now, the calendar continue button placement has been optimized for the best UI experience. Introducing a calendar enhancement in our CRM for a much more optimized placement of the select button for selecting the date and time while booking an appointment. Why it matters and how this is going to help you and your business. Now, with this update, you can improve user experience by placing the continue button directly next to the selected time. This is going to streamline calendar navigation and enhance the booking process. This feature ensures compatibility with CSS customizations. So, to find where this feature is located, we're first going to navigate to Settings in our left-hand navigation menu. From there, we're going to access Calendars, and then in the upper navigation, go ahead and make sure you're on the Calendars button. Now click on the 3 dots and click Share. Copy the link and go ahead and open that link in a new tab. Now you'll be able to see exactly what's happening. So prior to this update, we used to book an appointment by selecting a specific time and then clicking Continue. Now, the Continue button directly sits next to the selected time. And technically, it's no longer the Continue button. Now it's just called the Select button. This ensures a much more seamless user experience within your calendar bookings. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.